Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make different PDF pages as a single PDF page in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Mac or Linux operating system on your respective computer, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, you can see here on my desktop screen I have one PDF file. So let me open it and let me show you. I have different pages here, so you can see here. So how you can make these different pages as a single PDF file. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as PDF Stitcher by CF Curtis. And on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see the developer website. Now just scroll down below. So here you can see a download option for Windows, Mac operating system, and the last one that's written FlatHub, that is for the Linux users. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. So finally you can see the user interface of this software. So it's a very straightforward application. So nothing much options here. So here you can see select input PDF, right? Just click on it and select the folder or pod locations where you have saved the PDF. So in my case it's in the desktop. So let me select it. So we have selected the PDF file and now give a name for save output as. So I'll just give a name as edited. So I've given a name for my output. So you can select different folder location also, and below you can see the page range, right? So it will automatically detect all the pages. So say, let me open again this PDF file. So here I have 1 2 3 4, right? So firstly let us try with all the pages. So I will select all the pages and you can select some more units or centimeters. Tile pages you can enable or disable here. So I'll keep it as it is and click on this generate PDF. So you can see on my desktop screen a new file has been created. So let us open this. So now you can see here all the PDF pages has been stitched or combined together as a single PDF page. So you can see here it's only a single PDF page which is combined by different PDF pages, right? So now you might be thinking, if I want to add only particular pages, that is a custom pages, say like 1 3 5 different pages, then how you can do that? So for this, say you want to add like 1 3 and 4, right? So what you can do is just add a comma and put a 3, and if it's a serial like 3 4 5 6, then you can just use a dash and you can use like 2 4 if it is a serial. And if it's like 1 3 5, then just put a comma and put 5, and if it's from 5 to 10 serially, then just put a dash and just put your respective numbers. So in my PDF file I have only 4 pages. So what I will do is 1 comma 3, and I can use a comma also here in my case since it's only up to the 4, but I'll use here a dash since 3 to 4. And let us try if this different pages is added in a single PDF file. And let me just give a new name, sample, and now just click on this generate PDF. So we have created a new PDF file with our custom selected pages. So let me open this edited file. So you can see here 1 2 and 3. So we have added 3 different pages. Before it was with the 4 different pages, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So using this school application known as PDF Teacher, you can easily make different PDF pages as a single PDF page in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about the school application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.